of all, remove the battery. Slide both the locks inside into inwards. Remove these two rubber base. Under the rubber base there are two screws. See whether any screws are there under the DVD drive. Okay, we are done with the screws. Are giving distorted sound, or one speaker is working and the other is not working, then you can replace the speakers. After removing the bottom cover, just remove these. Here, this is the speaker connector. Just remove it gently. Here, be careful. Yes, this way. Just okay. This is speaker. Just undressing it from the notches. Same thing with this speaker as well. Okay, these are your speakers. So take your new speakers, unbox them, then insert it here in this way. If your new speakers does not come with these rubber bushes, then remove these rubbers, take out these rubber bushes from the old speakers itself, and this way just pull it, and for inserting just push it in this way here. There is a groove in between. It's provided with a rubber bush so that there won't be any vibration or a vibrating noise heard. Just push them inside. Okay, and go on tracing the cable back. Here, push them. We are done. After fixing everything, take your back cover, bottom cover, just a moment. Just fasten the fan screw, which we didn't pleat. Okay, yes, only that one was remaining. Okay, now take the bottom cover here. Take this DVD drive, fix it back. Okay. Now go on fastening the screws. Hope this video is useful for you and will be helping you. If this video is helpful for you and if you have liked this video, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Keep watching our videos as I'm trying to upload the videos, whatever work I do on my own in my household. Hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time. After inserting all the screws, just use this here rubber pad. Anti-skid rubber pad these are, so that when you keep the laptop on the desk, it will not slip. Just switch it on and check. I don't know whether the battery is charged or not. See here, battery is not charged, so I connect the adapter. Here the power light is glowing. Fan is rotating. We'll wait for the display. Hope this video has helped you and was useful for you. If this video has helped you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.